CX automatic bag-in-box filling and capping machine. This machine is designed for bag-in-box design bags filling and capping. Suitable for oil, wine, juice and other liquid-type products. Machine with automatic caps removing. Automatic sucking air from the bag before filling. Automatic liquid product filling, nitrogen gas filling after product filling, caps pressing functions. Anti-drip and big diameter design stainless steel filling nozzle. High speed and high filling accuracy. Food-grade stainless steel pump filling system. The entire filling and capping production process is smooth and sequential.